Without being prepared to ask for help at a moment's notice, it's hard to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. This video aims to equip you and your loved ones with 10 powerful and innovative self-defense gadgets that you can buy on Amazon today. So, without further ado, let's go! Number 1. SABRE Pepper Spray Keychain. Boasting the same police strength protection as law enforcement, SABRE Red is the most popular formulation by police worldwide. In addition, it contains UV marking dye to help police in suspect identification. This rapid-release pepper spray keychain, which comes in the most popular SABRE design, has a small but potent canister that fires a ballistic stream to lessen wind recoil. The intuitive grip design allows for better aiming and proper hand alignment with just the touch, allowing faster deployment and helping you keep your eyes on the threat. A quick release with a detachable keyring provides quick access to your pepper spray and a simple connection to the keyring for optimal portability. Protect your daughter, wife, son, and college students with SABRE. The price of this bad boy is just $9 in discount. Number 2. Smith & Wesson Tactical Survival Knife. The Smith & Wesson HRT-9B is a tactical and self-defense knife that looks amazing. The knife has a slick, tactical appearance thanks to its black handle and powder-coated blade. In addition, it is easy to hide due to the color. High-quality 7CR17 MOV stainless steel was used to make the blade, providing a long lifespan and preventing rust, making it perfect for a day in the woods. It has a spear point and is double-edged. The blood groove is a nice touch. The slots lighten the knife without sacrificing the blade's length because it has full tang. The knife is perfect for self-defense because of its damage-increasing grooves. Whether you're a survivalist, a knife collector, or a first responder, you can rely on your Smith & Wesson knife to be your go-to tool in every circumstance. The price of this incredible survival knife is just a ridiculous $15. Number 3. Stinger Personal Safety Alarm Keychain. A brand new product in the personal security sector made to wear every day. The assault is stopped by the deafening siren's attention-grabbing and deterrent effects. If uncertain, dispose of it. Get everyone's attention by using Stinger to create a diversion. To turn on the siren, pull back the lid. Then, replace the cap to turn off the alarm after you're sure you're secure. The car window switch with the Stinger security alarm operates swiftly. It offers you the best chance of leaving your automobile. It has a razor-sharp blade that can cut through your seatbelt and release the trapped driver and passengers if they cannot do it naturally. Take Stinger around town for runs, dog walks, across campus at night, home shopping, and wherever life takes you. The price of this self-defense gadget is only $25. Number 4. Gerber Gear Pocket Knife. The GDC Money Clip from Gerber. Not only does it hold 5 necessary cards, but it also has a hidden 1.75-inch stainless steel blade with a fine edge that could save your life. Wrap your finger around the ring, press your thumb onto the thumb grip, and you have a firm grasp that won't budge when you apply a little force. It is unquestionably the ideal present for any man. The price of this powerful piece of engineering is only $36. Number 5. SABRE Aim and Fire Pepper Gel. Police and consumers throughout the world trust the #1 pepper spray brand. Easy and precise deployment, the SABRE pepper spray pistol fits comfortably in your hand and is designed to be used like a pistol with a sturdy grip. Additionally, it employs an easy-to-replace gel cup and has grip safety to avoid unintentional deployment. Maximum force guaranteed. SABRE's patented technology ensures maximum heat and stopping power in every burst and eliminates the 30% failure rate experienced with other brands. Each canister of pepper gel has 13 bursts with a range of 15 feet for protection at a safe distance. Safeguard yourself with free SABRE training. Feel secure and assured. Aim and Fire pistol, links to free training videos, and safety advice are all included in the bundle to assist you in staying as safe as possible. The price of this lifesaver is an incredible $45 in discount while supplies last. Number 6. Dog AccuFire. The Dog AccuFire Keychain Pepper Spray is the only one in the world with an integrated laser sight. Simply pushing the laser's push button will start it, bridging the gap between doubt and assurance. No training is required. The Dog AccuFire Hot Pepper Spray, an 18% OC pepper spray mixture that has undergone scientific testing, fires a flaming stream of non-lethal deterrence guaranteed to halt an attacker and includes UV dye for attacker identification. The AccuFire laser pepper spray fits in the palm of your hand and is quickly activated with the push of a button and the twist of the safety cap. It can fire up to 16 feet away and is kept handy by the Keychain. Your protection is ensured by the Premium Protected for Life program when you buy an AccuFire pepper spray with laser sight. If it's used, the company will replace it without charge forever. Isn't that amazing? But wait, because the best of all is its price. Just 13 bucks! Number 7. Cricut Provoke Folding Pocket Knife. Power in your pocket. A reimagined classic, the Provoke Compact was created to be an incredibly convenient carry-on for daily use. Compactly sized power, a firm aluminum grip, and an astonishingly lightweight design make this the ideal carry for self-defense. Moreover, it remains neatly stowed in travel thanks to the kinematic TM technology and activates when difficulty is present. The tortoiseshell-style blade, which is molded after a traditional karambit, is made from quality D2 steel for exceptional durability and excellent edge retention. For extreme robustness, it is built of aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum. Light thumb pressure is required to operate it, as it nearly sits flush with the handle. When called to action, the Provoke Compact comes out strong. The price of this robust knife is $118. Number 8. Byrna SD Pepper Ultimate Bundle. The Ungun. Designed to be non-lethal but with the appearance and functionality of a gun, I present to you the new Byrna SD. Enhanced sights, sticky ergonomic honeycomb grip, straightforward performance trigger, and faster target acquisition. The effective range of the Byrna SD pepper spray launcher is up to 60 feet and the projectiles travel at an average speed of 300 feet per second. The Byrna SD can fire up to 320 feet per second of pepper spray projectiles. Byrna pepper projectiles briefly incapacitate and disorient prospective adversaries. Equipped with an ambidextrous, safe fire switch that enables either left or right-handed users to switch between safe and fire. The Byrna SD is made to protect life, not take it. No permits or background checks. The Byrna SD can be owned and carried without a background check or permission. The price of this tough guy is $386. Number 9. Kimber Self-Defense Pepper Gun. Stop threats at a distance. One of the world's most powerful and sophisticated pepper protection systems is provided by Kimber. The extremely hot, super potent 1-2 punch of the PepperBlaster 2 stops threats at a distance like nothing else can, rendering an assailant incapacitated for up to 45 minutes. The ergonomic grip on the Kimber PepperBlaster 2 offers a secure hold for hands of practically any size. In addition, our groundbreaking design is cheap and disposable. The Pepper solution is one of the market's most concentrated versions. It cannot lose pressure over time because it's not pressured like an aerosol spray. The well-known flaws of traditional aerosol pepper sprays are eliminated with the PepperBlaster 2. Its shelf life is longer than any aerosol product at 4 years. You get a second chance with 2 mighty Pepper Solution charges. The price of this double dragon is just $88. And number 10, TASER Bolt 2 Self-Defense Device. The TASER Bolt 2 device is the newest civilian self-defense device from public safety's most trusted partner. Don't let the inconspicuous appearance fool you. The Bolt 2 can help you establish up to 15 feet of security and immobilize the attacker for up to 30 seconds, allowing you precious moments to get to safety. In addition, it has a contact stun system for close encounters. When paired with the companion app, you can alert emergency dispatch when your device is tripped. Plus, it comes with our Safe Escape Replacement Guarantee. This is the next generation of self-defense. The price of this is $454. Listen up, my A+ adventurers. You have a life to live, a world to enjoy, and people to enjoy it with. Everyone should be protected to live a safe and healthy life with more peace of mind. As always, all the links to the products are provided in the description down below. If you liked this video, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget to tell us what your favorite gadget was in the comments box. And of course, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more great videos. Now get out there and have an adventure.